Welcome to my channel. Are you ready for this? We are diving deep into some seriously cool AI today. OpenAI, the folks behind ChatGPT, they just launched something called Deep Research. And no, this isn't just another AI chatbot. It's a total game changer. Deep Research is like this crazy, smart AI agent, like seriously smart. It's built for actual in-depth research, going way beyond just answering questions. So picture this. You got this question, right? A question that you really want to know the answer to. But instead of just getting like a quick answer, deep research will spend, get this, 5 to 30 minutes. Yeah, you heard that right. Up to half an hour actually digging into it. It looks at hundreds of sources online, analyzes all that data, figures out what's what, and then gives you this awesome report, complete with citations. It's like having your very own personal research assistant, only it's powered by AI. But wait, there's more. And this is where it gets super interesting. Deep research is totally transparent. It actually shows you its thought process. You can literally watch it in action, see what sources it's looking at, everything. It's wild. It's like you're peeking behind the scenes of how the AI is thinking, making its decisions. Oh, and get this. You can even give deep research your own files and pictures to make the research even better. So let's say you're researching like a specific historical event. You could upload relevant photos or documents, and deep research will use that to understand things even better. Pretty cool, huh? Now you're probably wondering, who's this thing even for? Well, think about all those folks out there who spend hours and hours doing research, like, people in finance, scientists, lawyers. Deep research could totally revolutionize their work. It's not just about saving time, though. This AI can also spot those hidden connections and those little nuggets of info that normal research might miss. It's like having this superpower for research. And check this out. Deep research just aced this test called Humanity's Last Exam, which is like a benchmark test for AI across loads of subjects. And you won't believe this score. 26.6% accuracy. That's more than double his predecessor, and way higher than other AI models out there. It's seriously impressive. But of course, like with any new tech, there are some limitations. Just like other AI, deep research can sometimes give you inaccurate information. You know those hallucinations they talk about? And sometimes it has a bit of trouble figuring out if a source is reliable or not. Right now, deep research is in this like phased rollout. They're starting with pro users who get 100 queries a month. Then they're going to expand it to Plus, Team, and eventually all the enterprise folks. But here's the bummer. Users in the UK, Switzerland, and the European Economic Area are kind of left out for now. Hopefully that'll change soon. Now for the really exciting part. OpenAI is planning to connect deep research to all these specialized data sources. Think subscription-based stuff and even internal company resources. Imagine the possibilities. It could be a total game changer for companies that need to do this super in-depth research across huge databases and all the public info out there. I mean, we could have an AI that can analyze data from scientific journals, financial reports, legal documents, even internal company records, and give us insights we never even thought possible. The future is seriously looking wild. Okay, so like, what does all this mean for, the average person? Like, what's the impact on like the future of research? I think it's pretty obvious that um, deep research is like a massive leap forward in what AI can do. You know what I mean? This isn't just like some souped up Google search. We're talking about AI that can like really understand and put together information from the real world. It goes so much further than those like basic chatbots we've seen. It's like having, I don't know, it's like this superpowered research assistant right there in your pocket. It can just plow through mountains of data and give you the important stuff like super fast. And this kind of power, I think, it could totally change how we learn and make decisions and solve problems in like every field imaginable, right? Think about it. Like doctors could use deep research to analyze like all those medical studies super fast and make, better diagnoses, or lawyers using it to build like rock solid cases. Oh, and remember, deep research is still being developed, right? So it's only going to get like more powerful and smarter over time. Think about how much AI has changed in just the last couple of years, right?
So imagine what it'll be like when AI can not only research, but also like design experiments, write code, create art, even like write music. The line between like human creativity and AI, it's getting blurry, and that's kind of exciting and also a little bit scary, right? But here's the thing, right? With like any powerful tool, it all comes down to, how we use it. We got to be smart about how we like bring AI into our lives. We need to make sure we're using it responsibly and ethically. We can't just like blindly trust any AI, especially when it's something as important as research, right? We got to be critical thinkers, always double checking the information and like thinking about, potential biases, because those can totally sneak in there. But honestly, I'm I'm super optimistic about the future. I really think AI, like deep research, can help us make like incredible breakthroughs. It could help us, push the boundaries of what we know and maybe even solve some of the world's biggest problems. So yeah, buckle up, folks, because we're living in this crazy time of like insane technological advancement, and it's just going to keep getting more and more mind-blowing. Thanks for joining me on this wild ride through deep research. And remember, stay curious, keep exploring, never stop learning. Until next time,